I've been doing affiliate marketing for over 4 years, from SEO strategies to marketing on social media. So if I had to start over, this is the exact strategy I would take. So let's go over the strategy so you can find success too. Okay, the first thing I would do is find my niche. If you don't find a niche, you're not laying down the right foundation. And your niche is just basically a category, whatever category you're trying to go in. So let's say I'm interested in gaming, then I would choose gaming. Or if I want to go into the tech category, then I would go into tech, cooking, books, home decor, the kitchen niche. It's a lot of different niches, and if you don't know what niche you would want to go in, just think about what you're interested in. This is a great way to find a niche that you will enjoy researching too, because if you go for a niche just because you think it will make you a lot of money but you're not interested in a topic, you're going to burn out, and it's a greater chance of you quitting. So just try to go for something that you're interested in. So for me, I like cooking. I'm interested in cooking. I like to think of myself as a pretty good chef, so I'm gonna pick the cooking niche for this video. Okay, once you find your niche, it's time for you to get some affiliate programs. And the first affiliate program is great for beginners to sign up for, and that's Amazon Associates. You can sign up by going to AmazonAssociates.com. They pretty much accept anybody. And once you sign up to Amazon Associates, you're gonna see this bar up top. And what this bar allows you to do, it allows you to get the link to any product that you want. So let's say we was in the computer niche promoting keyboards, and we wanted to get this keyboard for our blog or have it on our social media page. All you have to do is click on a product, and once you click on a product, you're going to see these text up here highlighted. So you want to just click text if you want to get the text and copy the link and post it wherever you need to, or you can get the image link right here too. So you can post the image wherever you want to now as well. And this works for any product, and no matter what niche you in. So if you're in a car niche, you can use it for car parts, or if you're in a stuffed animal niche, selling stuffed animals, you can definitely get the links to them as well. And another affiliate program that you can sign up for too is Walmart affiliate program. Walmart affiliate program is another huge company. I'm sure you've heard of it, but a huge affiliate program as well. It's similar to Amazon's, and once you sign up for them, you can pretty much promote all their products as well. So Amazon Associates and Walmart affiliate program is two great affiliate marketing programs that you can start off with to get any product from any niche that you need. Okay, now that you have your niche and some affiliate marketing programs to join, it's time for the most important part, because I don't care how good your niche is or what affiliate program you in. If you don't market right, if you're not good with marketing, you're not going to succeed, because you need to know how to build up an audience. So next up, let's go over a few ways that you can start marketing. And the first way is going to be through SEO, which is search engine optimization, where you can market on Google. And what you need for this, you need to get a website. You can get a website from like namehero.com. I love that web hosting services, or like SiteGround. They're two amazing web hosting providers that I've worked with in the past. And once you do, you need to create your website. And this is an example of the website. One of the websites I created, it's called TrophyBetting.com. It's all about bed sheets. So that's my niche, is just bed sheets. As you can see up top, silk sheets, linen sheets, and the benefits of sheets, and then all the sheets. I got my categories in sheets, the latest blogs from sheets, how long do bed sheets last. So it's all about sheets. So let's say you went in the computer niche, you can promote anything in the computer niche, or you can promote just one specific topic like I did around this niche. So SEO is definitely a popular way a lot of people get started with affiliate marketing. Most websites you see on the internet is probably doing some form of affiliate marketing. It does take some work and a learning curve, but it can definitely turn into a pretty passive income for you. Or if you want to go the completely free route and don't want to worry about creating a website and all of that, you can come over to medium.com and start blogging for free. Because once you do your blog and start creating blogs on here, you're able to put in your links from whatever products you're promoting. So let's say on here I was creating a blog around cooking, and I wanted to promote some knives from Amazon. Then what I would do is create my blog, get the link for the knives from Amazon that I want to promote, talk about them in my blogs, and that easy. If people start reading them, then they can click on the blog and they can click on the links to Amazon, and once they buy it, then you know I will earn a commission. And the next way you can start marketing for your affiliate links is by using Facebook groups. Facebook groups is another amazing way that you can start marketing it, and let me show you why. Because once you have a Facebook group and you created one, or you start joining them and promoting your links, it's highly targeted niches. So let's say, we was in the cooking niche. I was just typing in cooking, and as you can see, easy cooking recipes, 124,000 members, cooking recipes, 814,000 members. As you can see, all of these groups have a lot of members. And let's say I created one or joined one and it got up to around 10K or 50K or somewhere around there. And I know everybody in the group love cooking, and I started promoting different knives or skillets or pans or pots in my group, and be like, hey, this is an amazing pot pan, whatever it is. And people go to Amazon and buy them off my link, and I will get paid off of that. So that's why Facebook groups is an amazing way to start affiliate marketing, because once you can grow that group, and it will be highly targeted because of the people that's joining, you already know they're interested in whatever niche or topic that you're in. And the next way you can start is through TikTok, or let's say Instagram Reels. And the way you start with this, let's say you was going with Amazon. Let's search up Amazon cooking finds, and we'll see just how many products that come up in a cooking niche. As you can see, just right here is a pizza slicer, and it got 900,000 views, and that pizza slicer probably costs like $10. And let's do the math. For like 900,000 views, and you earning around 50 cents to $1 per product, and you get 10,000 sales, because let's be honest, that's 900,000 views, so you're gonna get a decent amount of sales. You can easily earn $5,000 to $10,000 they might have just earned from just this video if they was doing affiliate marketing. And as you can see, other people did the same thing. Basically 1 million views right here, another 1 million, 1.3 million, 55 million views. Look, they probably, if they was doing affiliate marketing, they definitely earned a decent amount of money. And of course, all your videos are not going to get around these amount of views, but let's say eventually you do, or your videos are getting like 5,000 and 10,000 views. That's still going to be at least $100 or $200 that you're making from each video. So this way is definitely one of my favorites to market, because this is one of the quickest way that you can grow and market as well. Because on TikTok or Instagram Reels, if you have a good video, it don't matter how many followers that you have, you definitely can go viral and be making a lot of money from your video. And the last way, which is another one of my favorites, is going to be through Pinterest. Pinterest is an amazing platform that you can market on, and not that many people know about it. And the reason that it's amazing to market on is because Pinterest is a search engine. A lot of people don't know it's an image search engine. So a lot of people come over to Pinterest to save products that they want to buy. When you on like TikTok or Facebook or Instagram, when you're scrolling through, a lot of people aren't in the buying mood, so they're not looking for a product. But that's the opposite of Pinterest. They come over here to save products, to find recipes or different items that they want to buy for later or for now. So let's come up to the search bar and type in cooking gadgets and see what pops up. I definitely spelled gadgets terribly, but as you can see, just how many products that search up for cooking gadgets, like this one right here, this is actually pretty nice. And they showed up in the top results with 164 followers, and that's not that many followers, of course, but they knew how to optimize. That's another amazing thing on Pinterest. If you know how to optimize your posts for the right keywords for your topic, it doesn't really matter how many followers that you have, because you can definitely rank in the top search results. That's an amazing benefit of Pinterest. And on top of this, you can have a link per pin. Most social media platforms like Facebook and TikTok and Instagram, you only can have one link in your bio. But on Pinterest, you can have a link in your bio, but you can have links in your Pinterest pins too. So and it's clickable links. As you can see, it took us to their blog. And if you're pairing Pinterest at a blog, this is a great way to grow a blog as well. It's through Pinterest. And then as you can see, someone searches up a topic and they come to your blog and they start reading about it. And if you're doing affiliate marketing, have links in your blog, then you can definitely earn money. As you can see, I got this food saver about 6 months ago. I can easily see this is a clickable link, so I'm gonna click on it. And as you can see, it took me to Amazon. So they're obviously doing Amazon affiliate marketing off of Pinterest. I went from Pinterest to their blog to Amazon, and like I said, that's a great way to market. That's why I love doing Pinterest affiliate marketing. And that's it. Yep, you can start affiliate marketing in basically 3 easy steps. Find your niche, get some affiliate marketing programs, and most importantly, start marketing. So it's time for you to start your affiliate marketing journey. Go find that niche, get some affiliate programs, and start marketing. I hope this video was helpful for you, and until next time.